back to Maker Cat, and since I haven't posted a video in a while, it's because I've been busy and really busy. I don't know. And so I am posting a video where I'm gonna be going to a park on this windy day and be going to play with a bunch of like drones and paper airplanes that can fly on their own. And also, I'm gonna also be playing with maybe some remote cars, because remote cars are easy to drive. We're gonna be going to the park, I think Chicopin and Edda, and so let's get started. Hey guys, so we've made our airplanes, and this is made out of paper, and then there's the motor and the circuit, and then here's the little thing. And what we're going to do is there's an app that we're going to use to make this thing fly. And all you have to do is hold it, aim, then throw, and then it will fly like a paper airplane, only better. So bye, see you in the next clip.
Cleared for takeoff.
So we're on our way to the park, and I've got my my new set, and I have a new robot that I want to show you, and I want you to leave in the comments down below. I'm calling it X2 right now, but leave in the comments down below if you have a better name for it. So let's get started. So guys, I'm about to do the paper airplane one. I am still learning, so please don't laugh at what I'm doing. Okay, that's it. Wait. Yeah, that's great.
Oop.
OMG. Okay.
You try that again.
Again.
You ready?